So a clever feature that Google Sheets has is the ability to use a function that works by translating text using Google Translate. So we've got English words written out here. They're just different colors, so orange, blue, green, yellow, purple, red. And in these cells here, what we want to do is put the Spanish translation using the Google Translate function. So if I just open up the Google Translate function, you'll then see we have to select the text that we want to translate. So I'm going to select cell A2. Next up, I need to specify the source language. Now, this is the language code. So for English, it's going to be EN. This is the language that we're translating from. And then next up, I need to specify the target language. And this is going to be ES. So effectively, we're doing the opposite to what's in the example that Google Sheets provide. And it's also worth mentioning that we could write out the text in the formula like this, but instead I'm actually just specifying the cell where the text is. And then that's the formula done. I just need to hit enter and you'll see it's loading and we have Naranja. And then if I just drag these down, all of these words are now translated into the Spanish equivalent. And yeah, so that's just a really simple way you can translate text in Google Sheets. It's great if you've got a lot of translations to get through in a small amount of time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.